Well, communication is a art. I'm sure that maximum number of people are not investing their time, money, energy in learning this one skill, which is communication. If you don't have this one skill, I'm sure that you will not survive in a job for a long time. If you have a business, I'm sure it will close down at some point of time. Okay, I'm Suman. No matter, I'm not one of the best coaches in English, but I'm sure that I have invested time, money, and efforts in learning the language and communicating, and today I'm helping many people bring get back their confidence and improve their communication skills and help them achieve their results what they're looking in their life. Okay, so please go ahead and invest in your communication skill. This is one art which will get you big results. Okay. Thank you.